Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I have a special audio product to show you all. These are the most balanced truly wireless earbuds designed by professionals and made for all the audiophiles and audio fanatics out there. It's not made for the general audience who look for budget category products. This is specially made for all the true music fans who want to listen to the sound the way it should be produced. So these TWS are made by this brand known as EQ8 and goes with their tagline "Live the Balance." Well guys, I'm pretty excited to unbox and show them to you. The packaging quality looks pretty good, and talking about the highlights, they're powered by Qualcomm's newest chipset, our BT 5.0, have 6mm neodymium drivers, and are IPX5 rated sweat and water resistant. So those were some of its features. Now let's quickly get started with the unboxing. The box opens up like this, and at the top there's some paperwork which tells you about the brand. It's like a welcome note to the EQ8 community. If you're interested, you can just pause the video and read it. Keeping that aside, we've got the EQ8 TWS nicely packed over here. Let me take them out and show you. Wow, are you guys looking at the design and the quality of the case? Looks very premium from our first look. And here are the earbuds. These earbuds come only in one color for now, which is metallic grey and black, and are quite small in size. Before we check them out, let's also see what else do we get in the box. You get a user manual, make sure to read that for all the info on the product. A free carry pouch with the EQ8 branding, a fancy looking USB Type-C cable for charging, and lastly you get some extra ear tips and hooks in different sizes. So these are all the different items we got in the box. Now let's finally check out the EQ8 earbuds, starting off with the case. The EQ8 features a Swiss design with a beautifully textured grey fabric all around the case. Gives a premium look and feel to the product. We've got the EQ8 branding at the top and looks like there's nothing much written on it. Talking about the build quality, the body is made of plastic and feels quite lightweight in the hand. There's nothing on the bottom, but going to the back, it's got a USB Type-C port for charging and a tiny LED indicator just beside that. Now let's have a look at the inside. The case has a nice finishing on the inside as well. We've got the EQ8 logo and says "Live the Balance." So that was our complete look at the case. Now let's check out the earbuds. Here they are. This is how they look like. They've got a tiny and compact form factor, and each of them weighs only around 4 grams. The build quality is very nice. They're made of high quality plastic and have a premium metallic finishing all over them. We've got the EQ8 branding at the top, ear hook running at the center to offer you a better grip while wearing, and on the other side we've got some charging contacts, a microphone, and the quality of the ear tips is also nice. Feels soft and durable. And guys, you see this top area, it actually has a multi-function button over here, using which you can access a lot of things, like you can play pause music, answer calls, or even activate Google Assistant. So that was our complete look at them. Now let's talk about the comfort and the sound. The EQ8 are lightweight and feel quite comfortable to wear for long time usage. The noise isolation is also good. And yes, they're also IPX5 rated sweat and water resistant, so you can even use them during workouts. Coming to the sound, just one word guys. Wow, these are awesome. The audio quality was very good with great detail and clarity. The mids were crisp and clear. You could hear every detail in the music as well as the dialogues. The vocal clarity was very nice. The high frequency response was also good. It was producing silky smooth treble without much harshness. And coming to the bass, those 6mm neodymium drivers were producing decent quality bass. Not super punchy I'd say, but had the right amount of bass to keep everything in balance. I have to say they have a unique sound signature which I believe will definitely be appreciated by all the audiophiles and professionals. The output was also quite loud and the distortion was also minimum, even up to 90% volume level. The EQ8 also have a built-in microphone and the mic quality was decent during call conversations. Alright then, let's talk about the battery life. The battery life was pretty good. On an average at 75% volume level, I was getting around 5 to 5.5 hours of continuous music playtime. But not to forget, the case also has a built-in 500 mAh battery and can charge your earbuds up to 5 times. So that means you'll get a total battery life of around 28 to 30 hours. And the best part is, they also support fast charging. Well, that was my review on EQ8 Swiss design earbuds. They're truly one of the best sounding TWS earbuds I've used in a while. I love the premium design, they're IPX5 rated water resistant, the audio quality is great, and the battery life was also pretty good. These earbuds cost around 6,999 rupees. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.